Hi, splendid lovers! It's your favorite chef, Recognize, and I'm back with another amazing recipe. Guys, it's Vlogmas Day 5, and I'm super excited. I'm pumped because Christmas is fast approaching, guys, and this is super exciting. So, today I'll be sharing with you all these soft, fluffy bread rolls that you are absolutely going to love and enjoy. To make this, you'll be needing your all-purpose flour. You are going to sieve this in a bowl. Please ensure to always sieve your flour, okay? After sieving, you are going to add in your sugar, your milk, your yeast powder, your milk flavoring powder, your salt. Just go and check the description box for the written recipe, okay? Now, once you've add all your ingredients in a bowl, you are going to start mixing this, okay? Just begin to mix this. You will be needing the perfect dough for a perfect bread. Now, we are not using mixer. This is going to take a bit of manpower, okay? But it's fine. It's what you can absolutely do and achieve the best results, okay? Now, like I said, add all your ingredients and begin to mix. Now, once your dough begin to form, you are going to transfer this to your work surface and start kneading, guys. You need to knead this. If you don't knead it well, you are not going to have the perfect bread that you want. Please don't be tempted to add more water than the water required in the recipe to your bread mix, okay? Because the more you are going to knead this, the softer your dough is actually going to become. So please don't add extra water. The measurement that is in the recipe is just enough for this, okay? You can see the way I'm kneading this dough using like my palm. Just watch closely. This is how you knead your dough if you want to achieve a perfect result. We are not using mixer, so you want to like put in your best to this part because this is the most like essential part to getting that perfect bread roll that you want, okay? So guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to the Splendid family. Please do well to subscribe, join this amazing, beautiful, splendid family, okay? And turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. To my old and returning subscribers, massive shout outs to you guys. I do not take your love and support for granted. Now guys, I have kneaded my dough perfectly and I'm just going to cover the dough for it to rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open up the open my dough, and you can see I've prepared my pan. I greased this pan with just butter, okay? Now I'm going to start cutting out my dough. You can use the lowest amount of dough you should measure at is 50 gram, but for the purpose of this video I'm using 100 gram, okay? So you can use 70 gram, 80 gram, 80 grams depending on the number of bread roll you want to achieve, okay? With this 100-gram measurement I was able to get 9 pieces of bread roll, okay? So just do whichever one suits you. That's totally fine. After cutting out each dough and having the perfect measurement, I'm going to begin to roll it just as I'm doing in the screen. Guys, please watch this part carefully. If you don't seal up your dough perfectly, the end result is not going to, like your bread roll is not going to come out fine and unique. Okay, you can see the way I gather the end of that dough and place it on my work table, then use my hand to cut out the excess. Okay, I'm repeating the process so you can understand. So just watch carefully to know how you go about this, okay? After rolling it, place it in my pan just like this. Now you want to get a cling film and cover this up for it to double in size. I'm going to place this inside my oven for it to rise properly. After about 30-35 minutes, this is what I have. My dough has doubled in size, and I'm going to take this right into my oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, our bread roll is ready. Okay, guys, look at these bread rolls. They are looking super good, like they tasted even better, trust me. Okay, so I'm just going to flip that using my cooling rack for this bread to cool properly. Okay, and I will be glazing this with some butter. Like I'll just rub some butter on the top of the bread to give that shine and for the bread not to dry out. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a cut for you to see how fluffy these bread rolls are. Okay, can you see? This is super soft and fluffy, and trust me, you're definitely going to enjoy these bread rolls, guys. So thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Please, if you are yet to like, please like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay safe. Bye bye.